Hey food enthusiasts! Ever find yourself short on time but still craving a delicious meal? I'm here to save the day with 20 quick meal hacks to speed up your cooking and keep your taste buds happy. Let's jump right in. Hack number 1. Use a garlic press. Forget peeling and chopping, just press and you're done. Quick, easy, and your hands won't smell. Hack 2. Preheat your pans. A hot pan cooks food faster and gives you that nice sear. Plus, it prevents sticking. Hack 3. Microwave your veggies before sautéing. Pop them in for a minute or two and they'll cook in half the time in your pan. Hack 4. Use a food processor. Whether it's chopping veggies or making dough, this gadget saves you loads of time. Hack 5. Batch cook grains. Cook a big pot of rice or quinoa and store it in the fridge. It's perfect for quick stir-fries or salads. Hack 6. Invest in a good knife. A sharp knife can speed up your prep time and is much safer to use. Hack 7. Keep your pantry organized. Knowing where everything is means no more hunting for ingredients. Hack 8. Use a slow cooker. Throw everything in and let it cook while you're at work. Come home to a ready-to-eat meal. Hack 9. Prep your ingredients in advance. Spend a few minutes the night before chopping veggies or marinating meat. You'll thank yourself later. Hack 10. Make one-pot meals. Less time cooking, fewer dishes to wash. It's a win-win. Hack 11. Use frozen fruits and veggies. They're pre-chopped and just as nutritious. Plus, they save you prep time. Hack 12. Grate your butter. It melts faster for baking and spreads easily on toast. Hack 13. Cook pasta in its sauce. Skip the separate pot of water. This also makes for a tastier dish. Hack 14. Use a salad spinner. It's not just for salad. It can quickly wash and dry your herbs and greens too. Hack 15. Keep your cutting board from slipping. Place a damp towel underneath for a stable surface. No more chasing your board around the counter. Hack 16. Use an immersion blender. Great for soups and sauces without the hassle of transferring to a blender. Hack 17. Peel ginger with a spoon. It's faster and you won't waste as much. Hack 18. Store herbs in water. Keep them fresh longer by treating them like flowers. Hack 19. Freeze leftover wine. Use ice cube trays for cooking later. It's perfect for sauces and stews. Hack 20. Zest your citrus before juicing. You'll get more juice and zest for added flavor in your dishes. There you have it. 20 hacks to make your cooking faster and more efficient. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy cooking!